So we're just going inside the car here, and I'll try to get a good shot of this for you. Now, this is the washer bag I bought from Amazon, and you can see there's a pump in the bottom there. I'm going to zoom in on it here. You can see there's a pump in the bottom of the bag in the filler, and when I got it home, the actual Corvair hooks you can see under there. I'm going to see if I can show you this side here. It's a bit hard to see on that side. Anyway, the two Corvair hooks were actually the exact size of the rings that were up top. All I had to do was hang it. So I ran a power from the heater blower wiring resistor down here. And I actually made up my own heater wiring. Clark sells a good heater jumper harness, but I'm here in Canada, and once you pay the 30% markup on the money and shipping and duty, everything I buy from Clark's ends up being twice as much money. Something I ordered there for $100, it cost me $200 here to get it to the door. So I would have loved to have got the right thing, and next time I'm down in the States I may actually go down there and pick the stuff up that I need. Save on shipping costs, but for now I just made up my own. It worked very well. And the bag worked excellent. You can run the hose, it goes up into the firewall, and you push it through. And we'll just come out here. So my ramp side came with a nozzle already. It kind of looks original GM nozzle. It has two little nozzles in the top. And all you need to do is take this grill out and reach your hand up through the grill here. And you'll feel the little grommet where the hose goes through, and attach it to the bottom of the washer nozzle. It was really easy to do. I haven't got the switch hooked up yet, but I just grounded it to try it. It works perfect. I think down the road, what I'm going to do is once I'm at the swap meet this year, I'll see if I can find a GM single speed with washer button, put it in the dash, and have my ground wire going up to that for the washer, and it'll look factory. And the bag holds about a third of a 4-liter jug of fluid, which will be more than enough for this, because hopefully it won't never be out in the rain. And yeah, it seems like a pretty good product. It looks fairly good quality, and I was quite pleased that it fit right up in the original location. Thanks very much. I'll talk to you next week.